Attention, attention. Are you tired of expensive, low quality web service providers? And are you looking for stunning, amazing, high quality websites and want your website rank on first page of Google? तो आपकी तलाश खत्म होती है यहाँ. Please contact People Inc. on 510-449-9049, 510-449-9049, or visit them at www.beerbulls.com. Beerbulls Inc. offers award-winning custom-built websites, web and mobile application development, and internet marketing services. So contact कीजिए Beerbull Inc. को 510-449-9049. आपको satisfy करना और hard work करना यही Beerbull Inc. का मकसद है.
The new novel, The Immigration Lawyer Asylum, has something for everyone: drama and romance. The story is inspired by a true story about a man from Iraq who is a suspected terrorist and wrongfully held by the U.S. immigration. The story is centered on the immigration lawyer, Sarah, who handles the case and describes the entire immigration process to obtain his freedom. The story goes in great depth on filing immigration petitions. If you're a reader who wants to curl up with a book about immigration matters and human rights, visit Amazon.com to buy. Visit www.splgpc.com. Call 510-742-5887.
You came over to provide for your family, to give your kids a bright future. However, an immigrant faces certain parallels while trying to achieve the American dream. The Shah Peerally Law Group PC is here to be a friend on your side. Whether you're dealing with an H1B visa or trying to become a citizen, no matter the issue, the Shah Peerally Law Group PC can help. Their diverse, multilingual staff offer a systematic, responsive, team-oriented approach to give you the best effective and exceptional quality service you deserve in your time of need. The Shah Peerally Law Group PC has not only made a name for excellence and dedication, but is also renowned for its compassion and social work, including pro bono workshops, awareness campaigns, human and civil rights advocacy. Please call 510-742-5887 to set up an appointment for a consultation. Don't wait. The members of the Shah Peerally Law Group PC are ready to work for you. That's 510-742-5887. This is just an advertisement. No attorney-client relationship has been established. The law firm does not guarantee success.
Are you an H1B visa holder? Do you have an I-140 petition approved or have an extension under AC-21 provisions? Are you on H4 visa? If yes, we've got amazing news for you. As of May 26, 2015, you or your spouse on H4 visa might be eligible for a work permit, aka EAD. And to apply, you need a lawyer who knows about H4 visa issues. Lawyer Shah Peerally has been at the forefront of this fight for H4 rights and has actually helped make this dream a reality. Now, his firm is ready to help you or your spouse get their EADs. Call 510-742-5887 or visit www.splgpc.com to apply for your EAD. This is an advertisement. No attorney-client relationship is created by this ad.
Check out the Shah Peerally Law Show every Monday at noon and every Thursday at 10 a.m., where Shah will discuss various immigration topics, provide news on immigration, and take your phone calls live. Only on Daisy 1170 a.m.
Very good afternoon, Mr. Shah. Thanks for a very good show.
Thank you for the show and all the information that you're providing.
Hi, Shah Peerally. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mr. Shah. Thanks for doing this program.
Hi, Shah. Thank you.
Hi, Shah. Thanks for picking up my call.
Hi, Shah. My name is Kunal. Let me thank you for this wonderful show. It's been a tremendous help, actually.
Mr. Shah Peerally, thanks for sharing the information.
Good afternoon, sir. I would like to congratulate. It's a wonderful show, and lots of people are getting benefited in different areas like immigration and settlement and all.
Yeah, good afternoon. So, first of all, thank you very much for providing all this useful information. Really appreciate.
I've been listening to your shows. I know I've been listening to your shows only on Mondays, but I from now on I'll try to make it a point listen to it, the other days also. Thank you. for doing such a great show.
From all of us at the Shah Peerally Law Firm, we would like to thank you, the audience, for making 2014 such a great year. We wish you a happy and prosperous year in 2015.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you very much.
And now, from the San Francisco Bay Area studios, KLOK proudly presents to you the prominent attorney Shah Peerally for the Shah Peerally Law Show, coming at you with over 50,000 watts of power. The Shah Peerally Law Show, where all your views matter.
Hello, everybody. Assalamu alaikum, Sastakar, namaskar to all the listeners. This is attorney Shah Peerally for the Shah Peerally Law Show. And today we're going to have a show talking, of course, about immigration law and also some debt settlement issues. And we will be starting the show. Of course, I have today with me my friend Lisa. She's going to be handling the board today. Thank you, Lisa. And first of all, happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July, events belated, I know, but I just wanted to wish you all Independence Day means a lot. It doesn't only mean the barbecue and the cooking and the friends, it means the independence from Britain, from UK, which now we don't know really who's independent of who, but this is how it was back in the days. And for those countries who have been under British rule, independence it means a lot. I know people from India, it means a lot. People from my country, Mauritius, it means a lot. And so I want to wish everybody Independence Day, a happy Independence Day. It's a very important day. So now let us talk a little bit, of course, about what's happening on the immigration front. First of all, everything I'm going to tell you today, ladies and gentlemen, is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. If you have any questions, you can call our office 510-742-5887. 510-742-5887. And today the number to the studio is 408-912-5565. 408-912-5565. If you have any questions regarding immigration, either it is on an employment base, a family base, asylum, you name it, whatever I can help you with, I'll be more than glad to answer. Citizenship, by the way, a lot of people ask on citizenship issues. So today, before I start, I wanted to, of course, we'll start with this. A lot of issues going on right now, good news and bad news, but the thing seems like government is really kind of getting really more strict on H1B cases, even on all those employment base. So you need to be careful, especially after the debacle of those big IT firms, which I'm not going to mention, who are supposedly, allegedly under investigation. We don't know yet. And now the California, basically the California Assembly, which is the government of California, not the federal, is calling for an investigation on the H1Bs of companies employing H1Bs. So the bill they are proposing is called AGR 12, and so far I don't know how much weight it's going to carry when it comes to the federal side, but federal is already doing their own investigation. I call it a witch hunt, to be honest. I think it's just a political move, and people are just taking advantage. Of course, there were some small issues regarding Edison, and even Edison, we don't know how much, because knowing Edison, I don't think they did anything improper. And Disney, of course, it just became a scandal. They took advantage of that. But of course, anybody who take advantage, there should be an investigation. But the truth is that, as far as I know, all those arguments are purely, for me personally, there's a lot of politics involved. And then also we know there were some issues on the people who went for consular processing, because we had the system shut down, and almost 700,000 visas have been backlogged. So for those who want to go ahead and apply now, feel free to apply. So, and now I will also, as I told you earlier, we opened the line, so you can always call The number to the studio is 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. And today, one news also, which is a kind of great news for us, because it's since July 5th last and plus on Sunday, this law show, the Shah Peerally law show, or Attorney on Air, is celebrating its 5th year of existence. So we are going on our 6th year now, and I wanted to thank you all the listeners, because without you it would not have been possible. And also we want to thank all the people of KLOK who have always supported us: Liz, Brad, Nathan, Srija, you name it, all the German, Jeff. I wanted to thank them all for always being here for us. And I want you to continue listening to that show. Hopefully we will carry it for more years to come, and we are very proud of having this. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss about different issues, and I will also dedicate the show today to those people who are waiting endlessly on their green card. We have one caller. Let me take the caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here.
Hi, this is Bhaskar. Thanks for taking my call.
Hi, Vasa. How are you? You're welcome.
Good. This question is related to EB2. I am on EB3.
Yes.
I have completed my bachelor's degree in India, 3 years degree. After that, I completed my master's 2 years in India. I am working here almost in 10 years. So,
how many years of experience you have?
Almost 15 years IT experience.
Okay. And so you want to know if you qualify for EB2, right? That's what you want to know?
Yes.
Okay. So usually if you add that 3 years plus those 2 years of bachelor, the 3 years of bachelor plus the 2 years of master's, if it can be added up, they will make it probably an equivalent of a bachelor, U.S. bachelor, plus 5 years of experience, which you have, as long as it's outside the country, not outside the country, outside the company which is going to file for you, you should qualify for EB2. Now the next question, the job also have to qualify. But from your degree, and I'm not an expert on credential evaluation, you need a credential evaluator, but from experience doing those cases, it seems you do qualify for an EB2. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, good luck to you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air.
Hi, Shah. Just want to check with you. I have a visa apply under EB2, and it was transferred from EB3 to EB2. For myself, I got my green card, but for my wife and for my elder son, we have not received it, and it's been more than 2 and a half months.
Okay, are the dates still current? Are the dates still current? Are the dates still current?
Yeah, visa was current for July 2004. And,
okay, yeah. So you should give a call to them, do an inquiry, because I-45 you don't need to wait on the company to do that. It belongs to you. So I will advise you to call the 1-800 number.
Yeah. We contacted them, and they always, like we had done to InfoPass and query, and always it goes into 45 days. And they say on the website, it says we got RFE, which was a medical, and they are reviewing it again. That's all, and they don't respond anything on that. Can we do anything else?
No, at this point it's too early. What I will advise you, wait around 120 days total. When did you answer the RFE?
RFE was March 6th.
March 6th you answered.
And after that, I got myself and my younger son got the green card, whereas for my wife and elder son.
Well, wait another month. If you don't hear anything, give me a call at the office. I'll see if you're interested. I can do an inquiry for you. But at this point, there's not much you can do. You can try to talk to a council assembly person or something, but they won't be able to do much at this point. It's too early. Usually 120 days is their processing time, especially for the medical. They have some issues right now. But just be a little patient.
Would it be any other reason other than medical, or everything was cleared?
It can be a lot of reasons. They might not, but we won't be able to guess until they find out. And sometimes they are delayed just because their officer is delayed. So it's very hard to guess. Sometimes it's background check, etc. But usually you're still in the time, okay? So give me a call if in 30 days you don't get anything. Call me at the office, 510-742-5887. Thank you. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air.
Hi,
Hello?
Mr. Shah.
Hi,
I
how
have
are
a
you?
question.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm trying to fill do the H4 EAD documentation application for my wife.
Yes.
So one of the concerns I have is so the place where I'm from, actually that place, the state has been split into two separate states, and so I'm not sure if I should put the name of the new state, because that's where my wife was born, in the city which is now part of the new state.
Okay.
But her passport has the name of the old state.
Usually you put the current information, but on the cover letter you explain.
Cover letter to explain?
Yeah, you explain why you put the discrepancy. And if you're getting confusion doing that, just give me a call and we'll do it for you. But you have to explain that this state, and then when you explain it, put any kind of information, official information to prove that this state has moved. Well, the place has moved to a different state.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank
it
you.
won't be a
Bye.
big problem. But if you're a little bit confused, you can always call us. We'll handle it for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. We got some few callers, and I appreciate that. The lines are open. You can call us 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. And today I dedicated the show. We have, first of all, our 5th year anniversary of the show happened this Sunday, July 5th, just on Independence Day, the next day. And I remember when I started the show, the reason I started it because of the Arizona issues at that time, and it just picked up from there, and I'm very proud we have maintained this show. And so far, we had a lot of great time, especially when people for example, we had the Tri-Valley University issue when the radio became their only source of knowledge, and how they would get out of this. And I know a lot of people wrote to me back saying, without this, we would have probably not been able to make it, and I thank them for that. And of course, the latest one was the H4 debacle, all the H4. We were able to bring it to the light through this show, so I wanted to thank KLOK for that, and we were among the first one who took it to the media and to the level that it came today, and today we have the H4 EAD. Let me take one caller. This is Shah Peerally. You are live on air.
Hey, Shapra, this is Vinay here. I have a question. I have a EB, my green card has passed 140 stage, and my priority date is October 30th, 2013. Do you know what is your assessment to get my green card? How long it will take?
EB2, right? EB2, EB3, you said. EB2, EB3. And what category are you on, you said?
I'm in H1 category.
No. You are on EB2 category or EB3?
Sorry, your voice is breaking. I couldn't hear
okay. Are you on EB3 or EB2 category?
EB2.
Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't want to make predictions that long. What my predictions so far will really be according to what we're going to get next month. So, if next month we are getting to reach, if there's no retrogression next month, then we're going to look at around beginning of 2010 for at the end of this year, hopefully, if we are lucky. But it won't reach 2013 this year, definitely. So I'm thinking probably, unless the law changes, we are talking about a couple of more years, at least 3 more years before it becomes current. Unless you're very lucky, okay? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sorry for the bad news. Okay, but at least better than some people waiting 25 years. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's today. Actually, that the caller kind of opened the door for the team of the show today. I promise the people who are signing the petition. We have a petition going on right now, and it's on my blog, Immigration Legal Blog. You will see the petition. If you go also Google it, reduce the EB2 time, you will see it on change.org. We need signatures on those. We are going to try to do the same on that we did on the H4. Hopefully before Obama leaves, we are able to recapture some time so that this caller, they don't have to wait another 4 or 5 years to get their green card. So help us out. Sign the petition. It works. I can tell you it works because we have the proof H4 did. So we might be able to change that rule. Sign it and get as many signatures as possible. If you type reduce EB2 time and change.org, it will pop up first on Google probably. Sign it. We have almost like 2,000 something signatures. We need at least 10,000 signatures. So please do that for us. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air.
Hi, Shah. Nice show. I've enjoyed listening to you over the years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. My question is regarding L2 EAD to H4 EAD.
Yes.
So I have a situation where my wife is already working on L2 EAD, and I have H1B in consular processing with approved I-140.
Yes.
So I'm trying to see how to minimize the gap when she changes from L2 EAD to H4 EAD. So is there
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah,
Well,
is there a way where I can apply L1B to H1B change of our I-129 amendment through premium processing with a start date of, like, say, 105 days, 90 days for EAD and 15 days for the premium processing? And same way I do L2 to H4, same 105 days start date and H4 EAD. So my hope is that both change of statuses happen within 15 days with a future date, and H4 EAD clock starts from the day they approved my change of status, hoping that I'll get my H4 EAD before we get into change of status of H4. Is that a valid way to do?
No, it won't happen because until the H4 is approved, you cannot get the EAD. As for you, what I would suggest on this, you need to do the amendment and do also for your wife change of status. And the processing time for the H4 change of status is around 90 days to 100 days. The EAD itself is not taking long. Within 2 weeks, you are getting it. But you have to have that approval. So even you can file it concurrently, it won't be approved until the system says, yes, the H4 change of status has been approved. One way to make sure things go fast for you is you leave the country, you come back on the H1, and your wife also take a little bit from her work. She leaves the country, she comes back on H4, and the same day you enter, you file for the EAD. 2 weeks later, you'll get the EAD and H4. Now the question is that what happened within those 2 weeks? There is a provision under the law, but it's a defensive provision. It's called INA 245K. If in case by mistake she worked because of the lapse, you are kind of covered, but it's not something you can use as a permit. You can use it as a defense if by mistake you do that. But I've done many cases where we are timing things for them, and so far I'm hoping it will work our way. But if you want to be sure, the best way is to leave the country, both of you, and apply right away. Then you will have no inconsistency, because doing the change of status might create some inconsistency. So I will maybe you should give me a call at the office. I can go into more details, because right now it's too tricky because each case is kind of different based on the date.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay. Give me a call and I will be glad to kind of go over it with you or even help you doing it. 510-742-5887. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You are live on air.
I have a H4 EAD question. Can we apply H4 EAD?
I'm sorry?
I have a question related to H4 EAD.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Can we apply the H4 EAD still? Do we have time?
Oh, yeah. The H4 EAD is still there. Well, I'm going to talk about something bad later, but no, it's still there. It's not like H1B. There's no timing. It's open, by the way. People can apply. They can apply any time. So go ahead, you can apply. And if you need help, give me a call at the office. We're getting, so far, I'm very proud to say, thanks to God, all our cases that have just the EAD has already been approved, pretty much most of them. So I'm very proud of that. So it goes very, very fast. So you should apply, okay? Hello?
Sure, I'll do your office. Thank you.
No problem. Call my office. We'll give you a good deal. We'll take care of you. 510-742-5887. Okay, one thing very important. People have gotten confused on this H4 EAD. H4 EAD is not like an H1B. There's no deadline on it. But we are recommending people to file right away for one reason. There's still that lawsuit going on by Safe Jobs USA. There's famous employees who have been making a big fuss about the H4. That doesn't mean it will kill the H4, because I think If they have to have killed it, they would have killed it under injection. But it will create a lot of hurdle in the future, and people might, because USCIS might be waiting on that to start issuing again. So I will recommend for those who qualify for the H4 EAD to apply right away. And I have the article published on my blog, H4 to EAD, H4TOEAD.com, H number 4 EAD to EAD.com. Just check it, or just go on my main website, Peerallylaw.com, or attorneyonair.com. So that Safe Job USA thing is still going on because the government didn't really get it on the summary judgment, even they were able to stop the injunction. I don't want to go into details how it works, but it's not great news, it's not that bad news, but I will recommend if you can file your EAD and H4, file it as soon as possible. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have more calls, if you want to ask any questions on immigration, the lines are open, 408-912-5565, 408-912-5565. This is Attorney Shah Peerally broadcasting live on Daisy 1170 AM, and I wanted to thank you all for listening to the show. Like I was mentioning earlier, it's our 5th anniversary. That means we are going on the 6th year on this show. Almost as close as KLOK. We started the law show, I think, 6-7 months after KLOK started broadcasting as an ethnic radio, and I'm very proud of that. And we've been here for 4 years now. We are almost fossil, but in a good way, not in a bad way. But we are very happy to be with you, and we have a really great listenership, not only in the Bay Area. We have people listening to us all over the United States, and we wanted to thank you for that. So today we are dedicating the show to those people who have been waiting endlessly on that on their green card because of the backlog. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that, and also what we are trying to do is we are trying to gather as much signatures on our petition. If you go on my blog, immigrationlegalblog.com, immigrationlegalblog.com, one word. On the top, there's a blue poster. Click on it. Please sign our petition. We need another 8,000 to 9,000 signatures on this so that we can push this with the Obama administration. Since Obama is giving a lot of gifts right now, so it's time to take it before he gets out of office. After that, we don't know what's going to happen. But if he at least clears some people, it would be good for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Attorney Shah Peerally for the Shah Peerally Law Show. Like I was mentioning today, we are celebrating our 5th year anniversary this year, and we are going on our 6 years. And we thank all the listeners and the supporters. And like I was mentioning, this law show has been really great for a lot of people. When I remember in 2011, when we have the scandal of Tri-Valley University. That show became really a door that protected people from getting jailed for no reason, some of them. And we even, I don't know if anybody followed us, we were on NDTV Times Now, and many of the footage that you see were done here in our office. I mean, because those people were so scared, and we were able to kind of protected them. We protected them with using the media. And I'm very proud of that. And of course, the H4 too, it would never have happened. I know that for a fact if it was not the hard work of many ladies out there who I want to congratulate, Rashi, but also because of the radio, we were able to do a long show. If you go on YouTube, you will see so many of those shows, how we tackle with it. We had callers, I remember, from 31 states for 3 hours consecutively. So I wanted to thank KLOK for this. This show has really made a difference. We have made a difference, and we have things to prove it. And I wanted to thank you all. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a quick break now, and we will be back after those messages. And anything I told you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. 510-742-5887. And just to let you know, next Monday we are probably going to broadcast a recorded show, but keep listening. We're not going anywhere, and we'll be back after those messages.
Is your credit card debt driving you insane? Don't panic and claim bankruptcy. Don't consolidate and end up worse off than before. What you need to do is call the debt settlement team at the Shah Peerally Law Group PC. They have an excellent record of getting your debt reduced at a fraction of what you owe. The best part is you don't pay a penny until a settlement is reached. Stop wasting time and money and call the Shah Peerally Law Group PC at 510-742-5887. That's 510-742-5887. Get out of debt now. This is just an advertisement. No attorney-client relationship is created by this ad. The law firm does not guarantee success. The new Attorney On Air app is now available to download on your iPhone or Android. Get access to the latest information and interact on the immigration and debt settlement blogs. That's not all. The app has plenty of entertainment as well. Listen live to the Shah Peerally Law radio shows. Go to www.attorneyonair.com to download it for free. Yes, that's right, for free at www.attorneyonair.com. He has given you advice on immigration issues on the radio. He has brought you those same issues to the big screen, and now the man who's been looking out for your well-being brings you the story of a man exiled from his home country only to find out how much worse his life becomes, seeking refuge in his new one. Shah Peerally presents the immigration lawyer, Asylum. Learn how one immigrant's trial and tribulations trying to attain political asylum turns out to be a nightmare he never could have imagined. Read about the courageous immigration lawyers and their fight to help others gain their courage to raise their voices against injustice. Shah Peerally's The Immigration Lawyer, Asylum. Get the book available now on paperback at Amazon.com. Check out the Shah Peerally Law Show every Monday at noon and every Thursday at 10 a.m., where Shah will discuss various immigration topics, provide news on immigration, and take your phone calls live. Only on Daisy 1170 a.m.
If you own a property and have a second mortgage on it, and if you want to keep this property and get rid of the second loan, attorney Shah Peerally can help. Call 510-742-5887. Due to the uncertain economy, many people have settled their debts for a fraction of its value. It's recommended to use an experienced lawyer to deal with it. Shah Peerally is an experienced debt settlement attorney and has handled hundreds of such cases successfully. There are no upfront fees for debt settlement. Only when you win, you pay. Call Shah Peerally, attorney at law, at 510-742-5887 or visit yourdebtsettlementattorney.com for a free assessment. This is just an advertisement. No attorney-client relationship is established by this ad. The law does not guarantee success. Call 510-742-5887.
Very good afternoon, Mr. Shah. Thanks for a very good show.
Thank you for the show and all the information that you're providing. Hi, Shah Peerally. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mr. Shah. Thanks for doing this program.
Hi, Shah. Thank you.
Hi, Shah. Thanks for picking up my call.
Hi, Shah. My name is Kunal. Let me thank you for this wonderful show. It's been a tremendous help, actually.
Mr. Shah Peerally, thanks for sharing the information.
Good afternoon, sir. I would like to congratulate. It's a wonderful show, and lots of people are getting benefited in different areas like immigration and settlement and all. Yeah, good afternoon. So, first of all, thank you very much for providing all this useful information. Really appreciate. I've been listening to your shows. I know I've been listening to your shows only on Mondays, but I from now on I'll try to make it a point to listen to it, the other days also. Thank you for doing such a great show.
From all of us at the Shah Peerally Law Firm, we would like to thank you, the audience, for making 2014 such a great year. We wish you a happy and prosperous year in 2015.
Thank you for your kind words. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is attorney Shah Peerally for the Shah Peerally Law Show, and we have one caller. Let me take the caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live on air.
Yeah, I have a question regarding H4EAD. I have 140 approved actually, and my wife is on H4, and she also has H1B actually this time.
Yes.
So yeah, and my question is like, if my 140 is dependent on my employer, so if I change the employer, is it still valid?
Yes, it is still valid as long as the employer doesn't cancel it. The same rule of AC-21 applies when you're doing transfer or extension of H1B. It doesn't have to be with the same employer. You can use it even with a previous employer, as long as the previous employer doesn't cancel it, because they have a right to revoke it any time. So, yeah, otherwise, no, you can use that. And that's what actually we've been using on many cases, and we already got approvals. And if you need help, give us a call at the office. We don't charge much to do the H4 EAD, so we will be glad to help you, okay?
Yeah. So the thing is, like, if I have 140, is it like I can change, like, for example, if I switch to another employer now, and then I left that company and switched to another employer, like, is this still valid, the 140?
Yes.
Or
the I-140, no, the I-140 is valid as long as the employer who filed it for you doesn't cancel it. So you can use it any time. You can use it with A, B, C, D. But the day they cancel it, then you're stuck. So you have to be very careful when you move. This is a very important point you brought. A lot of people get confused. They think, for example, because they get an extension with company A for 3 years, it goes to 2018, for example, and then when they move to company B, they think they will get to 2018 because we already got it here. No, it doesn't work this way. If the I-140 at the time you're transferring to company B is not valid, you don't even get that time that you got extra after the 6 years. So be very careful. But apart from that, many big companies, good companies, they won't revoke the I-140, so there's no problem. You can use it for any case in the future. You cannot use it for a green card, but you can use it for the extension. You can use it for a green card only if you go back to the same company, and you can also use it for the priority date. Okay?
Okay. So I can use that 140 anytime after I leave that company, right? If the employer doesn't cancel it. Like,
yes.
I think my employer doesn't cancel it.
Yes. Then you're fine. And if you need help on the H4 EAD or any kind of help, just give us a call, 510-742.
And, like, which one you recommend, like H1 or H4 right now? Like, if you are both qualified.
I will take the H4 because the H4 gives a lot more flexibility. And then since she has the H1, anytime there's a problem with the H4, she can always shift back on the H1. Okay? All right?
Okay.
Good luck to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're still going to take a few more callers. The phone number is 408-912-5565. And I wanted to thank Liz today to be on the show with me. And today we are dedicating the show for those people who are waiting endlessly on their green card. And that's taking years and years, I know, and it's very hurtful. And that's what prompted the H4 EAD and all the stuff. But we have this petition on our blog, Immigration Legal Blog. It's on change.org. Please sign this petition and have your friends sign it. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk a little bit about debt settlement, which is another area of practice that we do a lot. Right now, recently, we're starting to get cases where we are seeing people with debts. It's coming back, kind of, unfortunately. People are owing on their credit card because, of course, they have used it a lot, and I know it's going to get worse probably after the vacation, the school kids' vacation. So if you have a debt on your credit card and you cannot afford to pay it for whatever reason, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. We recommend that you call us and check our website, yourdebtsettlementattorney.com, yourdebtsettlementattorney.com. And also, if you have any questions when it comes to debt settlement, you can call us. Like I said, we don't charge anything in advance to do those. We can help you on what we call not only the debt settlement for credit cards, but for second mortgages if the house is underwater. Some houses, still some places, are underwater. And we can also help you with places where we have judgment against you, because sometimes people sue you and they get a judgment against you and they come after the money. And at this point, if you don't pay, they will garnish your paycheck. They will put lien on your property or even levy your bank account. So we can help you in those cases. Give us a call, 510-742-5887. Website to check, yourdebtsettlementattorney.com. Let me take another caller, by the way. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello. Hi, Shah.
Hi.
I'm Gauri. And I have a quick question regarding the H4 EAD.
Yes.
I want to apply. I'm qualified for H4 EAD, and I have not yet applied for EAD.
Yes.
So, I need to visit India in the month of August, maybe first week or second week. And can I apply EAD now and get the EAD and then visit the India within that month, within August?
Yes. Yeah, the EAD is not a status. It's your H4, which is the status. So I would recommend that you apply your EAD right now. The EAD is
Okay.
taking like 2-3 weeks actually to get approved, and you
Okay.
travel. And if you're going to travel in between, it's good to have someone, a lawyer, someone apply for you, because then the EAD goes to them. If there's any RFE or something, he can deal with that. So, yeah, you should apply and then go. At least you have it in your hand. Or the other option, when you come back, you apply. It doesn't matter which way you're doing. Both ways are good.
How long it might take to come get it approved and come EAD?
Right now, most cases we're getting 2-3 weeks. Yeah, if it is done properly, we're getting them approved. Most of the cases I applied on May 26th already got approved.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you have to do it properly. And if you need help, like I said, we are not charging a lot to do those. We can help you. 510-742-5887. Let me take another caller. This is Shah Peerally. You're live in here. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to take more callers now. In a few minutes, I'll have my friend Amit explaining on the debt settlement. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about the debt settlement on this case, and I wanted to tell people how it works, because a lot of people get confused. They have debts and they think it will go away by itself, and the truth is that it doesn't go away by itself. Sometimes it does if it passes some time, and if you file bankruptcy, but most people in our community don't want bankruptcy. So what we do then, we go ahead and do what we call a debt settlement for them. And how do we do a debt settlement? We basically negotiate the debts for them, and we will basically get what we call pre-litigation on their cases. And pre-litigation means basically, for example, you owe a credit card company. They send it to a collection agency. The collection agency now is going to start calling you, harassing you. You need to pay. And of course you need to pay because you owe that money. But if you are struggling and things are going bad, then they will take advantage of you. They will make you pay slowly. And once you start paying, you're reaffirming the debt. So all those tricks are the tricks of the trade, and we can help you. We can negotiate these debts, get you out of it completely, and then you can just go ahead, live on your life, and start fresh. What we don't do is debt consolidation. This is not debt consolidation, ladies and gentlemen. What we are talking here is what we call debt settlement. That means one-time shot. We negotiate with them. For example, you owe $10,000. We negotiate. Maybe you pay $2,000-$3,000 and you're out of it. Debt consolidation, you pay the same amount but slowly. That we don't do because we think it's a rip-off. We don't do that. But you can check our website, yourdebtsettlementattorney.com, and you will see some of our testimonials and success stories. I have not updated it for a while, but it's still good, all the stuff that you see there. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to close the show in a minute with Amit taking over, talking about, of course, real estate and debt settlement. But before I go, I wanted to recap the show today. A few important things that has happened on the immigration front. For one, of course, it's our 5th year anniversary of the radio show yesterday, and I'm proud of saying that we have done an excellent record. And by the way, if you check our website, splgpc.com, you have an archive of some of our shows, so you can listen to them. We put them on YouTube also. And for those who don't know about the other news is today we dedicated the show for people who are waiting endlessly on their green card. And we have this petition on our blog, Immigration Legal Blog, or just go on change.org to type reduce EB2 time, or even on Google. Please sign it. And the other news also, H4 EAD, things are going on. People can still apply. You should apply. And the other news also, there is the California Assembly has passed a joint resolution basically to investigate H1Bs, to encourage the feds to investigate H1Bs. There's nothing new except now they are getting the support of the California Assembly. But of course, so be ready if you're an IT consulting company or you're an H1B that there might be investigations coming up. But of course, if it is done properly, then you should not be worried. So please give us a call if you need help on any of those aspects. So let me see. Amit, are you still there? Are you there?
I'm here.
Hey, hi, Amit. How are you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
Well. I'm doing well, Amit, and thank you very much for being on the show. So
yes.
I will let you finish, and just wanted to wish you also, because you were with me when we started the show, the 5-year anniversary of the show, and
yes.
and thank you for helping us. And please go ahead, Amit, tell us a little bit in Punjabi and Hindi about what you do and what you can offer to our listeners. And ladies and gentlemen, by the way, we'll be back on Thursday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on 1170 a.m., and then we will be talking about immigration and, of course, all the issues. Thank you, Amit. So I'll let you continue, and thank you, Liz, for today. Amit, you have another 10 minutes to go. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Shah. Thank you very much, and hello to all the listeners, and Sat Sri Akal, Adab Namaste to everybody. This segment, we're going to be talking about a little bit on the real estate and debt settlement. As Shah mentioned, the debt settlement and real estate goes hand to hand like brother and sister, so we need to make sure that a lot of our listeners know what's happening in the market, and we are here to help you. As we would like to let you know that there is no charges that we apply in the beginning to you, so there is no fee upfront fee. It's all free, so you can get the consultation, and if anything, that you like it and you want to make it happen for yourself to save money, that's the reason we are here for you, to help you out. Let me give you my information first. My name is Amit Gambhir, and I'm the Bay Area Realtor here in Fremont, and I am with the firm Epic Brokers, and my number is 510-299-9361. Once again, the number is 510-299-9361, and we specialized in real estate from A to Z. That has to do with real estate market, whether you're looking to buy the house, whether you want to sell it, or if you have any problem with the properties that you don't want to keep and you want to let it go to avoid foreclosure, we can definitely help you. Then we also take care of all the HUD properties, which is the bank-owned properties, that if you're looking for good deals, we can help you out in that. Plus, our firm also do the loans, mortgages. We can definitely help you out in getting the loans as well. And then we have a property management department that takes care of about 300 properties all over the Bay Area. Our rates are pretty good. They actually charge us only $100 a month for the property. And we take care of all the screenings and everything for you for the tenants. We do everything that has to do with the real estate. Once again, let me give you my detail. It's 510-299-9361, and my website is www.gambhiramit.com. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਐਂਡ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਰੀਅਲ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਕਾਨ ਖਰੀਦਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਵੇਚਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਫਿਸ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਲੋਕੇਟਡ ਇਨ ਫਰੀਮੌਂਟ, ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਲਿਸਟਿੰਗਾਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ. ਲੈਟ ਮੀ ਗਿਵ ਯੂ ਸਮ ਡੀਟੇਲਸ ਔਨ ਦੈਟ. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਕਾਨ ਖਰੀਦਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਫॉर द ਫਰਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਬਾਇਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡਿੰਗ them ਫ੍ਰੀ ਇਨਸਪੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਅਪਰੇਜ਼ਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਗੈਟਿੰਗ ਐਨ credit of $1,000, not to exceed $1,000. So you can save money from us on that one if you are planning to buy the house. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਕਾਨ ਖਰੀਦਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲਿਸਟਿੰਗ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ, we have a listing in Brentwood that is coming up, which is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,300 living area, close to 15,000 lot size हैगा. This one is in Black Hawk, and it's 10 out of 10 API school district, gated community, and excellent school district, excellent property. You can definitely contact me, and we can definitely help you out. The dooji listing मेरे को लिखा गया Newark ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. This one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and this one is 1,800 living area, 15,000 lot size again. And this one is also excellent in Bunkers Elementary School District, close to Fremont and Union City. Then we have a listing in Hayward, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,822 living area, and 4,000 lot size, 1991 built. This one is close to 880 and 92 freeway. ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ. We have one listing in Vallejo. This one is currently rented out for $1,600 a month. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and 1,700 living area, and close to 5,000 lot size. Then we have one listing in Sacramento, which is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1987 built. This one is also rented for $1,400. And these two properties are listed in the range of $250 and $300K price range. The investment was काफी वधिया property है and already rented है. If you want to take over the rent, you can definitely call me and we can help you out on that one. ते बाकी इस वाले property दी market काफी वधिया चलती पई है. Average price range ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ Hayward, Union City, Fremont, and Newark ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, it's around 550 and above ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ for a single family house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,000 living area, and 5,000 lot size. And the rates have been very, very good lately. ਹਾਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਵਾ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ rental property ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. They got 7-year rate for single family house under 417 loan amount. We closed the file at 3.25 for 7-year fixed for the refi on the property. ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ refi ਵੀ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ, if you have considering that you have equity now and your property is not underwater and to see you want to keep it and you want to get it rented out, definitely it's a good opportunity right now. On the other hand, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ actually ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਇੱਕ Bay Area ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ who's doing very good, but it's one property is in Tri-Valley, other cities ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ that you still want to keep, you don't want to short sale or do any foreclosure, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਲੋਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ settle ਕਰਵਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ. Even though Bay Area ਦੀ market good ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, but those areas are still struggling because of the job market. ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ rate consider ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ or you want to settle your second loan and you want to keep the first loan, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ contact ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਨੂੰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਨੇ very dedicated ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ staff and they definitely help you out in order to get you the best deal with the bank ਅਗਰ you are planning to keep the property. Okay, I mean ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅਗਰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ credit card debts ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ medical billing ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, whatever the situation is, you're feeling the hardship, whether it is health related ਜਾਂ retirement ਹੈਗਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੈਗਾ, it's getting harder for you and you cannot keep, you want to keep it but you want to settle it for some reason. For that you can contact them. One of the number ਹੈਗਾ 510-742-5887 and for their website is www.splgpc.com. And they definitely help out people with the best settlement with the bank. There is no upfront fee. They don't charge anything upfront. Same thing ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈਗਾ real estate ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ real estate ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੇਚਣਾ ਪਿਆ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ, there is no upfront fee we charge for our clients. Everything is on the work. When the work is done, we definitely help you. Then let me give you my detail again for myself. If you want to do anything with the real estate, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ property ਵੇਚਣੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, we definitely don't charge too much on the commission as well, and that we make sure that our client saves money about $20,000 to $30,000. agar tonu bachane hai ne property vechande, we only charge 1% commission, and that's our special pricing, and we do all over the California. Wherever your property is, we can definitely help you. But on the other hand, agar tonu property rakhni हैगी है, tonu apne settlement करवाने ने कुछ भी, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ staff ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ, their office is located in Newark. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ contact ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ 510-742-5887. For me, you can contact me at 510-299-9361. So we do specialize with everything that has to do with the positive side on the real estate, whether you want to make money and equity हैगी है, you want to refi, you want to combine your loans and do all this stuff. Definitely for that you can contact me. सारी firm ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ Epic Brokers. Even actually अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ drive ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ, you can Google me, Amit Gambhir. It's AmitGambhir, and ਮੇਰਾ number ਹੈਗਾ 510-299-9361. and for Shah Peerally, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ www.splgpc.com. ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ negative side ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ real estate ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, that you want to save money, you want to settle yourself, ताकि आगे जाके you can do your future investment on the properties and everything. They can definitely help you out and save your money on settlement as well. For another vaste, you can contact them at 510-742-5887. My website is www.gambhiramit.com. And again, if you want to buy a house, perfect timing right now in Bay Area, East Bay, excellent market, and we are only giving you special promotions with free inspection, free appraisal, excellent market. But on the other hand, if you want to settle something, that's also excellent market right now, because banks are definitely planning to give you good deals. So for that, you can call Mr. Shah. His number is 510-742-5887, and my number is